Hello kids, today we will learn vegetables. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Lady finger, lady finger. Capsicum, capsicum. Capsicum. Brinjal, brinjal. Cabbage, cabbage. Potato, potato. Broccoli, broccoli. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Turnip, turnip. Tomato, red tomato. Tomato. Brinjal, tomato, capsicum. Mushroom, it's very healthy. Chili, I am green chili. I am onion. Pink onion. I am onion. I am coriander. Pea. I am pea. I am corn. I am corn. Hey kids, I am cucumber. I am cucumber. Green cucumber. I am brinjal. Purple brinjal. I am brinjal. I am healthy to eat.